What's up, you guys? Friday night, the Bavarian Brigade is hosting Cars and Coffee at Deerfoot City. So we're going to jump in Quinn, meet Marty here, and then we're gonna roll off to Deerfoot City and check out what's happening. The meet we went to last week is bi-weekly, so it probably isn't gonna be happening, but I imagine since there's gonna be a bit of a gathering of the BMWs that I suspect we'll have a fairly large crowd tonight, although the weather is not pleasant. It's like 13 degrees Celsius and it feels like fall. I'm not gonna lie, it sucks, but we're still gonna get the car out and head over there, say hi, bring you guys along. So keep watching. Let's go check out the Bavarian Brigade's Cars and Coffee. Well guys, this weather sucks. It is like drizzling. Everything's just getting super damp, and I don't know how long it's gonna last out here, but so far there's a pretty good turnout. We got a new car that I've not seen before that has came out, and it's a super clean M3. What do you guys think? And then we got Diego's M3, which you guys have seen in the vlog before. Nick's Beamer, John's car, Hassan's, Byron, Marty, and then Supa and Hassan's cousin Bryce brought out his Porsche. I'll show you guys his Porsche right now. Pretty good turnout for being such crappy weather so far, but there's a few more cars out there. I see Brandon in the Evo I seen him pulling around, so maybe he'll pull in and say hi. And I mean, for considering the weather, turnout's not too bad. I was hoping we were going to get away from the rain before it started, but it is what it is. You guys will probably remember this one from the So Scare season opener. He came out today, but he took the big wing off. What do you guys think? Kind of looks clean without the big wings. Looks pretty good. I'm still a big fan of the big wings, but it looks pretty good with the wing taken off, so I'll accept it. If any of you local Albertans, Calgarians are in the area and you're looking to get a wrap done to your car that wins an award like John's 2 Series, won Best Wrap at Driven, if you're looking for that quality and you want to get your car wrapped, hit up Elite Auto Works. Talk to Brandon, let him know that HQ BMW sent you there. I'm not getting anything out of this. I just want to promote a good shop. His is a really good shop. His work is top notch and it's award winning. So go hit them up. Lead Auto Works. Get your car wrapped today. So for those who don't know, Steve with the Java Green M4, he's been talking about this for as long as that I've known him, which hasn't been very long, but he's been talking about this for a long time, and he finally went and did it. He bought a dream car. What do you guys think of his new to him Porsche GT3RS? Drop a comment below if you guys would rock a Porsche GT3RS. Let me know in the comments below. Well guys, we got the keys. Let's go for a rip.
Oh, but it's new. Yeah, exactly.
So gorgeous. So comfortable. Super nice. What do you guys think?
Yeah, you got nice seats.
13,000 kilometers, just like brand new. So much nice carbon. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Thanks, Steve, for letting me sit in your baby. We've got the Canadian colors of Porsche's GT3, GT3RS. Another question for you guys. Comments below. What would you take? GT3 or GT3RS? Both absolutely stunning cars. I believe with the GT3RS you get a little less creature features. So like Steve was mentioning, the automatic doors, like when you walk up, they don't have them. No front and rear backup sensors, little stuff like that you don't get with the GT3RS. So knowing that, what would you guys get? Drop a comment below.
Explain something.
I have to say, the turnout, considering the weather, is probably our best one yet so far, and I think that's attributed to them now gonna start having, I think, more cars and coffee here at Deerfoot City. But Taha and his Mercedes came out. I showed you guys that on the last Deerfoot City vlog, and we got some Subarus, and we have an Audi, obviously the Evo, the Porsches. Jason from the BMW gallery brought out his M3. This is like the spec that I would want, but I wouldn't have the red interior. I'd want the black interior, but still, the outside of the spec, wheels, color, spec, that's the one that I want to get. We got M2, and we got a Passat wagon, another Subi. Pretty good turnout, I must say, for having such poor weather, we can say. Well, Royal Rally fans, I have to commend Mark on keeping his passport graphics on the car for so long. Matt, what do you think? Round of applause for keeping all of his graphics on his M4. What was passport quite a few weeks ago anyway, so nice job representing, looks good, very cool. It's I gotta say, the turnout for today was it was pretty wild, like really good, like Porsches, Subarus, Audis, tons of Beamers naturally, because, well, it's the brigade's cars and coffee. Most of the guys have headed up into the rec room to play some games, have some food, have some snacks. What do you think? Thanks, Steve. That was awesome. I appreciate the rev. Same with you, Jason. There goes the M4. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'm soaked, I'm cold, but it was a really good turnout. Lots of super nice cars. Yeah, up and up from here. It's only going to get better and better, and I hope you guys keep watching. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.